Are you starting a dropshipping business, but need more social proof to boost your sales? With the Judge.me AliExpress reviews, you can save time and effort by importing unlimited AliExpress reviews straight into your store. Use our Google Chrome extension to import reviews or copy in the AliExpress URL directly and match it to your existing product list. You can also specify the star rating and country of the reviews you want, and even translate reviews into English from other languages. To display your reviews, simply export them to a reviews app of your choice via CSV. If you are using our sister app, Judge.me Product Reviews, your reviews will be synchronized automatically. Our 24/7 support team are always on hand to help out, so you have the time to focus on the things that matter most. So make your product shine with reviews from the AliExpress Reviews app. Download it now to jumpstart your business with more social proof.